Hello friends. This is the music player application for desktop devices made by using tkinter module in Python. I have made separate Python program file for each of the components. Let's start our app. When you open the app, it will ask the user to select a folder which contains music files. It's a mandatory step, otherwise app get close. This folder has all my music files, so I will select this folder. Once you select the folder, it will load all music files here. On the top left corner you can see a menu button, click on that. You can see two options here. First one is select your music path. In case you selected wrong path at the beginning, then you can select the correct music folder path here, or you want to change the music folder, then use this option. Another option is to change the background image. You can select any image from here, which will be displayed as the cover picture for your music. Image gets changed now. You can select any image from here. Image gets changed now. You can select any music file to play music. It will play the music smoothly. I will just fast forward the music or just blur it, otherwise I may get any copyright issues. If your music file already has the cover picture, then it will get displayed, otherwise default picture get displayed. You can see the amount of music played in that below horizontal bar. You can also fast forward the music here. You can pause or resume the music anytime. And you can also go to next music or previous music anytime you want. And you can also go to next music or previous music anytime you want. This app is purely made by tkinter module, and to play the music, I used mixer module of pygame, hence it provides good option to handle the different cases in music control. I will also give GitHub link for this project in the description. So this is it for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, then please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Codemap. Thanks for watching.